Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. Baby,
A few moments later.
Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Barangay Imbal Balatong, Usurubyo, Pangasinan. Para maghatid ng pagmamahal na ipinapabot ni Ma'am Maribel Agustin na nasa Dubai sa kanyang asawa na si Sir Jesse Agustin. So tara guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Arat na!
Oo.
Eh, mabalik ka na yung litaan? Dala kasing gamit sa'yo, sir. May pinadalang gamit.
Wala na. Finish na.
For all the times I felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all
Happy
the
Valentine's, sir!
I repeated, though I was to blame, I still cursed that rain.
Napakaroon siya kayo, madam. Hindi na wala kang mambayad yan.
Hindi pa, para sa inyo po talaga yan. Padala po yan ni Ma'am Maribel para sa inyo. Happy Valentine's.
Maribel. Ay, wala ko. Iba yung pangalan ng asawa ko, Jessica.
Than just how I feel, and all that I'm worth is right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why.
So tara guys, pasok muna natin yung pinahandang food ni Ma'am para pagsalusaluhan at mabasa natin yung ano pa yung message ni Ma'am kay ano kay Sir.
A few moments later.
For all the times I wore myself pity like a favorite shirt.
To my unholy love of my life. Wow, sana. Sometimes it's hard to find words to tell you how much I treasure and cherish you. You're not only my husband and the father of my kids, but you are the other gift I've received from God. And I accepted you and embraced with all my heart and soul without regrets at all. You are the person who makes me feel special and smile when I was tired at work. Thank you for loving me like this. If I say I love you more, I mean it for everything. I want to say on minutes, days, months, years, and even a decade because I want you to feel how much I care and I want you to remember always that I am always here at your side in all obstacles you're going to encounter now and in the future. Thank you so much for giving me a princess, prince, and a knight, and being their mom, dad, and a teacher for them at the same time at the moment. I know it's so hard to perform this role, that's why I salute you always. I couldn't say anything else, Be. I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. Happy Hearts Day, love, Mami. So ayan, sir, ang message ko sa inyo ni Ma'am Maribel. So ano na lang po sabi niyo sa followers ni Ma'am, napapanood niya po yan.
Emotional. Ilan po? Bilang yung mami. Kasi I love you.
So, ayan. What do you say sa mommy?
Guys, thank you for the everything. All the sacrifice.